Minisita w'ebigambo eby'ebigambiro bw'abaira ry'omugenyi mukuru aha mukoro gw'okukuza ekiro ky'abakazi omu rurembo rwa Fort Portal. Ripoti ya polisi y'omwaka gw'2020 neyoreka ngu abantu omutwaro gumwe kanaana runaana nshanju na babiri abatungire obutabanguko bw'omu maka omu ihanga ryona. Abantu 338 bakaba bari abashaija bakuru kandi b'abaana b'aboojo bakaba nibingana 133. Ripoti hona niyo emwe kworeka ko aha abantu 240 bisirwa ahabwa obutabanguko bw'omu maka, abantu 213 bakaba bari abashaija kandi abandi 33 bakaba bari abaana b'aboojo.
Thank you so much. The parade adjutant is Lieutenant Akera. Guest this afternoon is the Honorable Minister.
Violence persists, and this casts a shadow on the aspiration of millions of women in Uganda and the world at large.
Challenges has been our chief guest, limited access to land. 70% of women are in agriculture, but we have no access to land. So we don't work and we are paid peanuts.
Iyo ripoti yashohozibwa aba Global Press Journal nereka ngo abashaija bari kuterwa abakazi omu maka gabo nibatina kuhababa ahabwo kutina okushekyererwa. Helen Kamwinor RCC wa Fort Portal nagira ngo abakazi abamwe bakorise kuba obugabo gavumenti yabahiire.
Don't forget that our men also in this current situation are suffering. I have been hearing all the poems here. We talk about the women, but let's not forget about the men, because what is taking shape now, even these men here are being battered by us, the ladies.
Linda Irene Mugisa uri omwishenjero kazavuga ururembo rwa Fort Portal nagira ngo kukuza ekiro ky'abakazi omu Fort Portal kwizira ombwiro bw'abakazi omu Fort Portal barukora bomu kugumirwa.
To continue holding into the programs of government. There is a MIOGA, there is PDM, there is WEB, there is YLP. So I want to urge you, all the women, either you're a youth or you're a woman, can we involve ourselves in these programs which government has brought? I want to thank the women who are on the other side, where I saw what they are doing, the value addition they are doing.
Women have embraced all programs, all government programs. Women are utilizing the funds that government are giving them, but the challenge is still with the market.
Amakuru aga gashakwa Jonan Tusingwire.